lifetime resident of Orem, I've had the opportunity to see this campus grow and progress in a significant way. It's now the largest university we have in the state. Certainly under President Dominguez's leadership, it's probably the most dynamic and enthusiastic campus we have here in the state today. Utah Valley University's Woodbury School of Business now in the state of Utah produces 40% of all business graduates entering the Utah workforce each year from all of the state schools. So a disproportionate number of business is coming out of this university. Winston Churchill said, "We shape our buildings, thereafter they shape us." So today, as Woodbury School embarks on a new chapter in its history and this new groundbreaking, I'm confident this new building is going to help shape the future of the students here and our business opportunities here in the state of Utah, so that we'll remain the best place in America and maybe the world to do business, certainly the best place to live and to raise a family.
This building will be a place where the business community can come together with our students and with our faculty to create amazing opportunities, additional consulting projects, additional industry certifications, additional internships, opportunities to learn and grow and to apply the theory that they're learning in the classroom to the world of business, so that when they enter that world of business, they will enter shovel-ready. And so we're very excited about that.
This is historic because we're building a building that's going to be a game changer for this university. And it's not simply because we are in the business of higher education or we're educating students in business. We are in the business of hope. We at Utah Valley University strongly believe in the potential of every individual. I am here in order today to officially say that we are gonna name this building. To my count of 3, 2, 1, we're gonna do this, okay? Ready, 1, 2, 3. 3! 2, 1.
This is a place that students will come and participate in the new constructed building here to learn to think, to establish a career, to meet other people and learn social skills, to establish relationships with those that will be mentors and teachers to them throughout their entire lives. We're grateful for the growth and development of UVU and its leadership, and we have become very fond of everything UVU.